to carvers. Today, we're stepping into a world where luxury meets adventure with the 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome. Known for crafting some of the most opulent cars on the planet, Rolls Royce has now entered the motorhome market. And as you might expect, they've done it in a way only Rolls Royce can, blending elegance, technology, and performance into a rolling five-star hotel. The exterior of the 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome is simply breathtaking. From a distance, it carries the unmistakable presence of the brand. The massive front grille, trimmed in polished stainless steel, stands tall and proud, topped by the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy that automatically retracts for security and aerodynamics. The LED headlight design is sharp and sophisticated, casting a crystal-clear beam that illuminates the road ahead like daylight. The body features long, smooth lines with subtle chrome accents that reflect Rolls-Royce's signature understated luxury. The paintwork is, as expected, immaculate. Buyers can choose from hundreds of bespoke color options, hand-applied by Rolls-Royce artisans. Two-tone schemes are available as well, with fine coach lines painted by hand, a tradition the brand has maintained for decades. The massive 24-inch polished alloy wheels are unique to this motorhome, combining style and function, while retractable side steps and electronically operated doors ensure effortless entry. Large panoramic side windows blend seamlessly into the design, offering stunning views from inside while maintaining privacy with electrochromic tinting. Stepping inside the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is like entering a luxury penthouse suite. The interior is crafted using only the finest materials: hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood veneers, genuine crystal, and brushed aluminum accents. Every surface has been meticulously designed and finished by master craftsmen. The living area features plush, fully reclining lounge chairs and a sofa upholstered in the softest hides, while deep pile carpeting covers the floor. The kitchen is compact but finished to the highest standard. Marble countertops, custom cabinetry, and top-of-the-line appliances blend seamlessly into the space. There's a convection oven, induction cooktop, integrated refrigerator, and even a built-in wine cooler with climate control to keep your vintage bottles at the perfect temperature. The bedroom offers a full king-sized bed with a cashmere headboard, memory foam mattress, and customizable ambient lighting. The ceiling above the bed features Rolls-Royce's signature Starlight headliner, allowing you to sleep beneath a sky full of tiny, fiber-optic stars. The bathroom is equally luxurious with a rainfall shower, heated marble floors, gold-plated fixtures, and a full vanity finished in exotic woods. Technology in the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is just as advanced as its luxury appointments. A fully integrated AI system allows you to control every aspect of the motorhome with voice commands or through a custom touchscreen interface. The entertainment system features a 65-inch retractable OLED screen, a bespoke Rolls-Royce audio system developed exclusively for this motorhome, and full 5G connectivity for streaming, navigation, and smart home integration. Solar panels on the roof provide auxiliary power, while a sophisticated battery management system ensures you can remain off-grid for extended periods. Under the hood, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is powered by a twin-turbocharged 6.75-liter V12 engine, producing an impressive 700 horsepower and 750 pound-feet of torque. The ride is buttery smooth, thanks to Rolls-Royce's advanced self-leveling air suspension system, which absorbs road imperfections and maintains perfect balance regardless of load. The powertrain allows this massive vehicle to cruise effortlessly at highway speeds while remaining whisper-quiet inside, thanks to extensive sound insulation and double-glazed windows. Performance may not be the primary focus, but make no mistake, this motorhome moves with authority, gliding from 0 to 60 mph in under 6 seconds, an astonishing feat for a vehicle of this size. Fuel efficiency sits at an estimated 14 miles per gallon, which is respectable considering the power and luxury on offer. Pricing for the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome reflects its ultra-luxury positioning. The base model starts at $1.8 million, with most buyers easily crossing the $2.3 million mark after bespoke customizations and optional features. Every unit is hand-built to order, ensuring each owner receives a motorhome tailored to their exact specifications. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome, where ultimate comfort meets the freedom of the open road. A creation that redefines what it means to travel in luxury. Imagine the elegance of a Rolls Royce limousine fused with the space, comfort and mobility of a high-end motorhome. It sounds impossible, but this is the real deal, and it's unlike anything else on the road. From the outside, the 2026 Rolls Royce limousine motorhome is nothing short of breathtaking. It stretches over 30 feet in length, but carries itself with the same grace and poise as the Phantom. The front is dominated by the unmistakable Pantheon grille, upright and proud, flanked by laser-cut LED headlights and a spirit of ecstasy that now retracts automatically when parked. The entire exterior is sculpted from hand-formed aluminum with polished chrome accents, featuring a two-tone paint scheme that blends deep, mirror-like obsidian with Rolls-Royce's signature silver. The silhouette is long and commanding, with rear doors that open suicide style, just like the classic Phantom, but electronically. With a silent glide, the rear living module is seamlessly integrated, avoiding the clunky RV look altogether. Instead, the lines are continuous, flowing, and elegant. Subtle lighting elements line the underbody, and the roof is equipped with retractable solar panels that disappear flush into the surface when not in use. A deployable rear platform creates a private terrace for evening views, complete with ambient lighting and surround audio. Step inside and it feels like stepping into a luxury penthouse suite. The interior is a blend of modern opulence and timeless craftsmanship. Everywhere you look, hand-stitched leather, real wood inlays, crystal accents, and deep lamb's wool underfoot. The ceiling is a fiber optic starlight display, customizable to any pattern or constellation, glowing softly above a cabin bathed in ambient light. The main lounge offers two full-length leather sofas that face each other, with a hidden cocktail bar in the center console, crafted from crystal and polished walnut. A retractable 65-inch OLED screen folds out when entertainment is desired, and the sound system is custom-tuned to the cabin, delivering studio-level clarity. Privacy glass ensures the outside world disappears when the doors close. Climate zones, lighting, sound, and center all adjustable via a voice command system that responds in natural language. The kitchenette is nothing short of elegant. Hidden induction burners, a wine cooler, refrigerated drawers, and even a concealed espresso bar. It's all flush-mounted, sleek, and whisper quiet. Across from the kitchen is the dining area, with two captain's chairs and a motorized table that folds out from the wall. And then there's the bathroom, easily one of the most refined ever placed in a motorhome. Floor-to-ceiling marble, a rainfall shower with color therapy, a smart vanity mirror with display options, and a fully automated toilet with privacy screening. Even the water system has been re-engineered for silent operation and total efficiency. Powering this rolling mansion is a fully electric drivetrain derived from Rolls-Royce's Spectre platform. It offers around 700 horsepower and all-wheel drive, with torque distribution software ensuring a ride that's impossibly smooth, even on less than perfect roads. The active air suspension uses predictive cameras to read the road and adjust instantly. You glide, not drive. It delivers a range of just over 400 miles per charge, with solar panels supporting off-grid energy for lighting, HVAC, and cooking. Fast charging takes it from 10 to 80% in just under 35 minutes. And for those who prefer to relax in the back, semi-autonomous driving takes over with grace and intelligence. As for the price, the 2026 Rolls Royce Limousine Motorhome starts at $3.8 million. But this isn't about price. It's about presence, experience, and elegance that moves. Each unit is bespoke, made to order through the Rolls-Royce Coach Build program. No two will ever be the same. So is this the most luxurious way to travel the world? Let us know what you think in the comments, like if you love the blend of tradition and innovation. And don't forget to subscribe. This is Carverse, where dreams drive.